I am Antonino Rizzo from class 3rd day of High School of Tropea, and today I'll explain to you how to complete the cosmic rays work. Let's take as an example the first line of the table where we have all the data. The first thing we need to find is the average. To find the average, we need to use this formula n1 plus n2 plus n3 all divided by 3. The average is equal to n. So, for example, if we use these datas, n1 64 plus n2 71 plus n3 66 all divided by 3, it's equal to 67, the average. After doing this, we need to find the rate, that is found by dividing n by 200. So, for example, if we use the data of the first line, n is equal to 67 divided by 200, it's equal to 0,34. That is the rate. Once this is done, we go to find the associated mistake, that is equal to the square root of n. So, for example, if we use the first line datas, the square root of 67, it's equal to 8,2. Then we find the delta n, which is found by dividing the square root of n by 200. That is this. So, for example, we know that in the first line the square root of n is 8,2. Dividing that by 200, we know that it's 0,04. Finally, to calculate the standard deviation, we need to do the square root of the square of n1 to n plus the square of n2 to n plus the square of n3 to n all divided by 3. So, for example, if we use the first line datas, we have to do square root n1, that is 64, to n, that is 67, all under square, plus n2, that is 71, to n, that is 67, all under square, plus n3, that is 66, to 67, that is n, under square, all divided by 3. That is equal to 2,94. So, if we use the datas of the second line of the table, we know that the average with this formula is 62,3. The rate we use this formula is 0,31. The associated mistake we use this formula is 7,9. The delta n we use this formula is 0,04, and the associated mistake we use this formula is 7,7. Thank you to all for watching me. Thanks.